Seems like just about everyone wants a curvy, lifted derriere, right? That desire's been the thing for going on, can you believe it, nearly 25 years. That's right. It was the early 2000s when Beyonce and Jennifer Lopez started showing off their curves, and women everywhere wanted voluptuous buttocks. And the surgery, Brazilian butt lift, answered the call, but with a lot of really terrible side effects. Fast forward to today, women have much safer options. In our opinion, the non-surgical vacuum butt lift is the perfect solution. Great results, no surgery, no downtime. And especially of interest to you is that you can make a lot of money doing it. But you just can't open up shop. You have to take the right steps. And in today's episode, we're giving you those right steps. We'll outline the critical details about vacuum therapy butt sculpt and tell you how you can use these treatments to increase your income. Plus, and importantly, we're going to give you the details of the best vacuum therapy butt sculpt course. Well, actually, there's 2 of them to choose from, both of which are going to give you distinct advantages over your competitors and set you up for extreme success. So, stay tuned.
You're listening to the Body Contouring Academy's Proven Profits podcast, where you'll learn simple, actionable strategies from real-world, successful body contouring professionals to help you generate more revenue, realize the profits you want, and create the life you desire. Hi, I'm Shannon.
And I'm Kay.
And we're your hosts of the Proven Profits podcast.
Hi there, healthcare professionals, business owners, body contouring technicians, and beauty professionals. Welcome, everyone. Kay here. Shannon and I want to thank you for being here, too. Curvy booties have been a thing for some time now, and as body contouring professionals, we've been able to provide those kind of results using a safe and effective treatment. Vacuum therapy butt sculpt. It's also known as the non-surgical Brazilian butt sculpt or butt lift. In fact, it's gone so far as nowadays consumers seek out vacuum therapy buttocks cupping treatments. It's their go-to alternative to the risky surgical enhancement procedures. So if you're interested in capitalizing on this popularity and becoming an expert in vacuum buttocks enhancements, and you should be, we're going to help. In this episode, we'll provide you with the critical details about vacuum therapy butt sculpt. And also something you should really be interested in. We'll tell you how you can use these treatments to make more money. And also something you may not even think of is that we're going to give you the details of how you can get distinct advantages over your competitors and set yourself up for success. And that's by choosing the best vacuum therapy butt sculpt course for you. Now, you won't be able to do everything with butt sculpt that you want to do without the proper foundation. There's not just one course that we're going to talk to you about. We're going to talk to you about 2, and you can choose the best for you. We'll break them both down for you. So let's get started with the basics about vacuum therapy technology and vacuum therapy treatments. What is vacuum therapy technology? Well, did you know it actually had its origins in medicine, in medical practice? It's a well-known holistic technology that medical professionals first used in the early 1990s, and they used it for wound healing. And not many years later, in the early 2000s, is when body contouring professionals adopted the technology and developed vacuum therapy protocols to help deliver results that their clients wanted. We continue to perfect and expand on protocols today. Shannon and I were actually vacuum therapy pioneers. We've used this technology and done treatments with vacuum therapy since its beginning. So what is vacuum therapy technology's mechanism of action? Well, it utilizes enhanced negative pressure energy, guys, which is suction, and it's always delivered with cups and or the mechanical massage with the applicators. The technology itself, it's so versatile. It has the ability to treat and improve 4 different body concerns: unwanted fat, cellulite, detoxification, and then, of course, butt sculpt. What we really love about it is it's backed by tons of clinical research from over the years. Multiple clinical studies have been published, all since its beginning, proving both that vacuum therapy technology and its treatments, they're safe and effective. Okay, so that was vacuum therapy. What is vacuum therapy butt sculpt, or the non-surgical Brazilian butt sculpt? Well, it is a non-invasive body contouring treatment that utilizes vacuum therapy technology to enhance, tone, firm, and sculpt the buttocks. Okay, so how does it enhance the buttocks? Well, most people are thinking gluteal muscles, but it involves much more than the gluteal muscles. In fact, body contouring professionals who are striving for best sculpt results, so many tend to focus just on the 3 gluteal muscles. But the anatomy and physiology of the gluteal region, well, that involves so much more than that, which is an important consideration when you're choosing your vacuum therapy butt sculpt course, to check and make sure it covers those details. Now, vacuum therapy benefits the muscles, gluteal muscles, blood circulation, lymphatic flow, and skin. That's why it's so awesome, is its amazing benefits to so many different systems. And that is because we combine the application of the vacuum therapy mechanical applicators with the massaging action and proper placement of those vacuum therapy cups to affect all those systems. So that let's look at muscles. What does it do to muscles? It stimulates, tightens, corrects, and tones those gluteus muscles. And number 2, blood flow and lymphatic flow. It increases both the venous and lymphatic flow to the buttocks, and that enhances the size and the shape. And then number 3, the skin. It encourages collagen and elastin production, and that improves skin tone, and it will reduce that dimpled appearance that we often see in the buttocks area. Okay, so now let's cover the basic steps to a vacuum therapy butt sculpt treatment. Large vacuum cups are placed over each of the bun of the buttocks in proper places, and your course should tell you where that is. The cups emit negative energy, which is suction, produced by that vacuum therapy machine. Now, depending on the treatment protocol, mechanical vacuum massage may also be performed before and or after the cupping section. The actual treatment time, well, it's going to run somewhere between 30 and 45 minutes, and treatments are and should be pain-free. How often do we treat with vacuum butt sculpt? Well, there's 2 different periods. There's the initial period, and then there's maintenance treatments. Initially, your patient is going to need 1 to 2 treatments per week, and that's for the first few weeks. We usually recommend an initial 6 to 8 treatments, and all of this is depending on the patient and her goals. How is she starting, and how does she want to end up? Then there's the maintenance treatment, because that follows the initial treatment period. We sometimes call these booster treatments, but we really recommend them to maintain results because vacuum therapy butt sculpt is not permanent. So the big question is, so when are results seen? Well, initial results are seen, followed by results from those series of treatments. Did you know your clients can see instant improvement after just one treatment? And by the way, they love that, but they're not going to get the best results without a series of treatments. Now, each treatment builds upon the results of the last treatment, and this is the case with nearly all of our non-invasive body contouring treatments, right? Now, maintenance treatments, that's what's going to produce those long-lasting results because it's just the same also with all other non-invasive body contouring treatments. The results aren't permanent, but your clients can have lasting results with a combination of regular maintenance treatments and a healthy lifestyle. So you can probably guess by now, vacuum therapy butt sculpt treatments, well, they have the potential to bring in a lot of money. Now, one reason are high fees, because due to the demand for this treatment, and also depending on your market, you can charge between $100 and $175 per treatment. Now, it's best to offer a discount on the fee per treatment price that wherever it falls between $100 and $175 when your client commits to the series that you're recommending, or maybe you're going to offer it in a package, and in these cases, you collect the entire fee up front. Now, listen carefully at the incredible income you can generate when you incorporate this treatment after you complete the vacuum therapy butt sculpt course that's right for you. If you perform 2 treatments a day and you charge and collect $150 per treatment, in a week you will generate or can generate $1,500. That totals $6,000 a month. And of course, the more treatments, the more money. But you have to do it the right way. You do that with the right certification course, getting the right foundation, learning the right techniques, following the right protocols, etc. Now remember, we have 2 courses for you to decide between, and you decide what's best for you. They're both great courses. Let's just cover them a little bit right here. Which vacuum therapy butt sculpt course is right for you? Now listen. Either the best all-around vacuum therapy butt sculpt course for the body contouring beginner. It's a vacuum therapy certification course that focuses on using vacuum therapy technology to address the 4 body concerns: cellulite, unwanted fat, detox, plus vacuum therapy butt sculpt. So it's a great all-around course, especially for someone just starting out. Or you could choose the best vacuum therapy butt sculpt course for either the experienced body contouring professional or for really any provider, brand new or experienced, who really wants to focus on becoming the butt sculpt expert in their market. And it's a vacuum therapy butt sculpt course with a focus on advanced techniques in vacuum therapy butt enhancement treatments like the Brazilian butt lift, the non-surgical one, but it also you'll also learn about treating cellulite, unwanted fat, and detox in it. So here's a few more details. The first course we talked about, the best all-around vacuum therapy course and best course for beginners, the Vacuum Therapy 4-in-1 Body Sculpting Masterclass, is a course that takes a deep dive into the details of cellulite, unwanted fat, detox, and of course, butt sculpt. Now, if this sounds like it might be for you and you want to learn more about this course, we are leaving a link in our show notes so you can access the details of the Vacuum Therapy 4-in-1 Masterclass, the comprehensive blueprint. It may fit your needs Exactly. Okay, now let's take a closer look at that second course, that Booty and Body Sculpting Masterclass, which is the best vacuum therapy butt sculpt course for providers striving to become leaders in butt sculpting. You'll learn advanced techniques in vacuum therapy butt enhancement, like the Brazilian butt lift, and also includes how to treat cellulite, unwanted fat, and detox. So if this sounds like it might be the course for you and you want to get the details on it, we're also leaving a link in our show notes, so check it out and you can get the course details because it may fit your needs perfectly. Now, vacuum therapy butt sculpt, it's a treatment with a popularity that's here to stay. Treatments are safe, results are great, and you can earn a lot of money as long as you do it right. Now, if you're ready to reap the benefits, then you're ready to take the first step to becoming a butt sculpting expert by taking the vacuum therapy butt sculpt course that's right for you. So, to summarize, here are the two choices. The best all-around vacuum therapy butt sculpt course for beginners or even experienced providers who just want to be an expert in all the vacuum therapy treatments. The Vacuum Therapy 4-in-1 Masterclass, a comprehensive blueprint. And you also have the option of the best vacuum therapy butt sculpt course if you're a provider wanting to become an expert in butt sculpt treatments. And that's the Booty and Body Sculpting Masterclass, Advanced Vacuum Therapy, and Vacuum Cupping. So, our final message today is stop dreaming and start achieving. Enroll in one of these courses now. Well, that's it for today. Until next time, beautiful wishes.
If you enjoyed our podcast, we'd really appreciate it if you take a few minutes to leave us a review. And if you'd like to learn more about our courses and resources, you can get all the scoop by visiting our website, bodycontouringacademy.com. That's bodycontouringacademy.com. Thank you so much for listening. As always, have a great rest of your day. And until next time, beautiful wishes.